Okay, when installing the BC Bronco's battery cable kit for your Coyote, it will have two cables coming out of the part that attaches to the battery, and then one of those cables will go to the frame. So what we do is we take the bolt that's provided with one washer, stick it up through the hole that's already in the frame, and add a washer so you don't damage the coating, because these are serrated. The idea is that you're supposed to loosen the bolt, not the nut, because of the serrations would dig in. So what you do is just run this down here real quick. Make sure you tighten this first. Okay. Then you're going to add another washer. Then you're going to install the cable, followed by another washer, and then another serrated nut. What I do is I attach the other end to the battery, so I know exactly where I'd like this to lay, and then tighten this down. So just say we want this straight toward the engine, then we'll just lock that down, and then that gives you a good ground to your frame, and then the other cable comes up and catches the bolt on the engine itself.